Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix Print Preview is not available in the Microsoft Outlook. Let's go start. This PC. Then click on Local Disk C. Then click on 3-dot in top bar and choose Options from Contract menu. Then click Switch tab and View. Turn on Show Hidden Files, Folders or Drivers in Advanced Settings. Then click on Users. Then select your user's name. Then click on App Data. Then click Roaming. Then click on Microsoft. Then click on Outlook. Find the Outprint and delete it. Close the window. Close the Microsoft Outlook and reopen the Outlook. Go to File and click the Print for left side menu option. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.